Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I will be unboxing the Bose SoundSport wireless earbuds. I just picked these up and I found interest in them because I have the old Beats, Powerbeats, I think that's what they're called. And honestly, I don't think they're the best quality. So I picked these up and I found them to be good for the gym or whatever. And so I'm going to unbox them for you today. So here's the front. It says it's wireless. In the back, it says up to 6 hours charge, which is good, I hope. This connects to Apple, Android, and the Bluetooth, which is great. So now let's get into it. Actually, let's see the knife. Put that to the side. Now it's just a matte finish on the box. This box is actually really pleasing to look at, which I think is pretty good. So it looks like it's in a sleeve. Sleeve comes right off. And it looks like there's some type of text inside of the packaging there. Not really sure what it says, but don't really care, to be honest. Now it comes in its own black. It says Bose right on it. I gotta say, they have very clean packaging. Upon first opening, it just says to use the app practically and has all the features, so it has a little picture of it. I'm gonna keep going. Open it up completely. There's a girl with them, and then the actual headphones themselves. So, as you can see, the headphones. Now, let's take them out. Actually, we'll leave these to the side and go through the rest of everything first. So in the box you have a micro USB charging cable for them. Of course, a USB type A. There's the Bose, looks like storing part. So nice Bose. It's a fabric. It's not like leather like the Beats ones. It has a carabiner clip. Feels nice though. They're like spongy. Open it up and there's foam. One thing I like about this already is that there's a little mesh pouch so that you can probably put the charging wire in, and you can have maybe the other tips if you want to change them out. And like I said, here's the other tips. The size medium is already on the headphones itself, so here's small and large. Of course, it has the little pouch so no moisture builds up. And here's the manual, how to use them, how to connect them. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Turn them on, connect Bluetooth on your cell phone or tablet, and they should connect pretty easily. And just some safety instructions. Looks like that's it in the box. So I'm gonna put this aside. We have these, and now we're gonna take the actual headphones out. And that's it on this. First thing I notice is the wire seems pretty nice, and there's actually these little plastic films on the Bose side, so for protection, so no scratches get on it. It says Bose on both, so let's take them off. Then has the one button there, and I'm assuming that's the power button because there is a actual dial here with plus minus and then with a talk button, I'm assuming, to activate Google Assistant or Siri. So they do feel very nice, and I can only assume that they're going to be great quality overall, and you can be able to hear very well out of them because they're Bose. Like, they're a famous brand, and you already know that they're going to be performing very well. They look very nice, and I must say, like, the black is very sleek. And it seems that you can even clip the back wire to your t-shirt so it's not bouncing around, which I actually really like, because when I do use my Powerbeats, the wire bounces around as I'm running, and it kind of drives me insane. And I have to like tuck it underneath my t-shirt, and if I can just hold it down like this, it makes it much better. So yeah, great quality. The tips feel really nice and soft. They're not like dense and hard like other headphones. So yeah, they feel really nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.